Hey guys, Figurecraft here, and today we're going to be going over more replacement parts. So we are now going to be going over some replacement parts, which are pretty much, you already should have them if you've purchased Kit 14, because Kit 14 continues the, or 20 continues the rest of the installments for Kit 14. So in issue 20, we're going to go ahead and flip through the book. And then we're right here. He makes replacement vents if you want them. I just didn't go for them on mine. So, continue on. Okay, give me a few seconds here. There's also another kit that you'll need to get. Let me find it. Okay. You will also need Kit 28, which is main bridge details, because there's a vent in here that you'll need. Okay, so the first thing, it is that vent that I'm talking about. So going into here, which are the main bridge details, which I've already replaced everything on my bridge. We'll go over that when it comes to that issue. Let me just get this open. These things are sometimes hard to get open. I opened it all right. Ah! Parts go flying everywhere. Oh, how lovely. Good thing these are not the upgrades. Oh, dear. Ah, things happen. Let's see here. Is that all that's on me? Okay, the rest of them went flying in the room. How lovely. Looks like that had to happen. Yep, here's some over here. Good Lord, they went flying everywhere. That's alright. I'll slowly find them. Ain't no biggie. Alrighty. It does look that happened, but it ain't no biggie. Ah, there it is. Okay, first things first. The vent. Let me get these little parts back in the... Let me get these back in the thing. These are all of the old details that I've taken off of the Titanic. But there is... not sure what that is. That's stuck to that. The old... Okay. I'm not putting the lid back all the way on that thing for right now unless we're having a flying thing when I go to open it again. Okay, so this vent right here. This is the first thing that you'll need for... Hang on a minute, stick on something. Good thing it just rubbed against my foot. There's another piece. So I gotta look on the floor now. That's nice. But here's the vent that you were given with Agora and Hachette, which looks like that. And then the whole main reason for right now, there'll be other reasons, but for right now, that you would have to purchase 28 main bridge details if you wanted to. The replacement vent is right here. And here is the replacement vent towards the front of the ship, and I'll put this right beside of it. There you go. There's the original versus the replacement, which is right here. And then if I were to bring you around, and let me try to turn this ship. One vent will probably fall, but I'm prepared for that. Alright. Well, surprisingly, it didn't fall. There's the other side. You can see it's got the cross detail inside the vent. But that is the first thing that we'll be replacing on issue 20. So we'll put that back where it goes over here. Let's set the ship over there. And then now the other parts that you will need will be from Kit 14. which will be these two vents right here. Now with hachette and agora, they send you these, which they are exactly the same. And then, let me grab the ship again. The replacements. Set that there. Get you up here. These are the replacements, and you can tell there's a big difference here. This vent in the back is taller. This vent in the front is shorter. Which, nope, they are the exact same height. So, we'll put one here. And we'll put one right in between this lifeboat and that vent. And that way you can see the differences. Let me try to set this vent up a little bit more straight. It probably has to lean though a bit. Yeah, it has to lean a bit. But you can see there the difference. And then we'll come to the front. That way you can see the difference in the vents. There you go. And then we'll come back around. But yeah, those are the replacement parts for that. Forgot about those. Got to get those off the ship. Let's see here. That all? Yeah, that's all. Flip the page. Yeah, there's no replacement of that. Then we go to the and then, yeah, okay. But yeah, that's all the replacement parts for 20. But yeah, that's going to do it for this video. I hope y'all enjoyed, and I hope y'all are doing safe during these troublesome times, and you all have a blessed one. And when I come back, we'll be doing more replacement parts. But until then, goodbye.